Okay, this is a video of Friday stuff that I got. I think I'm just going to do this random, just keep grabbing stuff. Try to do it quick. Okay. Bowman Baseball. Fat pack. Bowman Baseball. Fat pack. Okay, I know where that was from. That was from Pittston. Okay. Taylor. Taylor. I think this was Tunkhannock. Yep, Tunkhannock. Tunkhannock. 114. I think I got two green Chronicles in the morning there. Trying to get all this stuff off of here. I already showed you that. You move it to the side and it's out of the way, and then you go to reach in and it just comes right back onto you. This will give me, I don't know. I think they sold me more packs, or maybe they clicked on it 2 more extra times or something. I don't know. All right. Okay. Here we go. Abington Heights. Jesus, I mean Taylor. Oh, God. Taylor. I wish they had a Walmart up in Abington Heights. That would be great. You hit Taylor, go down Main Street under the bridge into Dixon City, and then pop up the highway and hit Dixon City. Route 6, Route 11. That would be awesome. Too bad, like I said, too bad Dixon City doesn't have their own Walmart. I mean, Park Summit doesn't have their own Walmart. All right, now remember, this is all Saturday, all this stuff. Now, to my exclusive find. I still think people don't believe me, but I don't care. Because guess what? I got them. No one else did. And I knew they were going to have something good there. And I told people, and they didn't listen. And I got myself 2. Not 1, but 2. Not 1, but 2. Prism Mega Boxes. Prism Basketball with the pink parallels. 10 pink ice prisms in the Mega Box. I don't, people don't listen. There were still more of these when I left. That's the sick part. There was still more. I didn't even get the last couple. There was still more of them left.
And to add to their worry, Alyssa's 11-month-old son, Cole, is in the back seat.
Can't think of the name of the place. Ophrata, O-P-H-R-A-T, O-P-H-R-A-T-A, Ophrata, Ophrata. It's like out in the middle of nowhere.
Flames are edging closer. But their friend Stacy in a car up ahead can see what's coming and calls to warn them. We literally went from a little jovial mood where we just thought it was, good times, and then scared
Okay.
for sure.
That's weird. It said cards in a Dasani, and I'm like, what? I forgot I bought a water. It cost like $1.68 for a bottle of water. What a disgrace that is. Total joke. Alright, only 6 minutes in, that's good. We still got time. I don't know how many beef jerky bags I bought. Just crazy. Alright, I got Into Leon. It's like, I'm not sure. Could be $19, could be $29, I'm not sure. I got 2. Here's the other ones, just so you don't think I'm lying. There's another one in the bag. 2 Shining Fates. Elite Trainer Box. 2 Shining Fate Elite Trainer Boxes. And then these things, like, they raised the price of these so ridiculous. Like, no one's buying them now. They're still on all the shelves. I left Tunkhannock. There was still like almost a full box of these. I left Pitts, and there was still a full box. Hanover, Wilkes-Barre today, there was still almost a full box. It's crazy. All right. Okay, anything else? Well, I think that box is all done. Okay. And remember, guys, this is all good stuff. Really good stuff. This was all from Friday.
Griffin and his dad are also critically close to the flames. The wind was pushing the fire towards us. And we're like, look, people turning around out here.
Okay. I'm going to guess this is Tunkhannock. Yep, Tunkhannock, 7 in the morning. 7:05:15. Was it worth it to drive all the way out there for 2 Chronicle packs? Yeah, when every time I open up a Chronicle pack, I get a Burroughs and a Herbert in the same pack, and it's happened like 3 times now. And those packs are only $5 a pack. Bought a candy bar. Bam! They do have lots of nice stuff in there, but I wasn't going to buy more movies and more figurines or whatever they're called, or Pokemons. I just checked to see if they got cards there, and they didn't have any. Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. This got to be Taylor. Yep. This guy pissed me off. He's like grabbing these things, just throwing them in the bag like that. I mean, I'm thinking to myself, he's crushing those cards. I mean, they're only stickers, but still. Like he was not, like, I couldn't believe it. Like, he was just, instead of being careful and placing them in, he's just throwing them in, then he threw a heavy tin on top of it. I if I was a kid, I'd have knocked him out. I was sitting there like, my blood was boiling. I know he didn't wreck them. It's just, it was pissing me off watching him do that. I should open a pack. I love these things. Got plenty of time on this video, so I figured, what the heck. Philippe Chantel, Ryan O'Reilly, Andre, who's this? Andre Kurokovsky, John Marino, and rookie debut rookie, Nick Suzuki. If you're a Hobbs fan, that's really neat. I'd probably put that in a nice, what are they called? Things that I have that no one else has. Top loader. Put it in a nice top loader. We'll like that one. Sell that to a Hobbs fan online. There we go. See? Clark Boy up in Taylor. See how nice and easy you put it in all nice so it doesn't get wrecked? Like, it's a way to get freaking punched by somebody. You're buying stuff and you're smashing it around. Alright, I only got 2 minutes left. Let's get this done. Get her done. Once I showed the prisms, that's really all I care about. Two Prism Basketball Mega Boxes. Like, wow, all this other stuff is just like gravy. NBA hoops. This has to be Walmart in Wilkes-Barre. They had such sweet stuff. Score Blaster, and an NBA hoops fat pack. Wilkes-Barre Township Walmart. Okay, I said Wilkes-Barre Township Marketplace. All right. That's good. And the last bag has... That's what I figured it was. Okay. Diamond Kings Rack Pack. Blue Elite Trainer Box Battle Styles. I think I got 2 of these. Yep, yes I did. Oh, and I got 2 of these too. I think I got 2 packs of Chronicles. Let me look. From what I remember, there's the second blue Elite Trainer Box. And sure enough, I thought so. Bang. I love these things. These things $4.99. Although they raised the price the next day, it was $5.99. All right, that's it.